Okay, based on the last video, you should have seen some improvement in terms of mobility, spine mobility. So here we are loosening up the butt, the glutes, and essentially what we're doing is removing lactic acid, scar tissue that might have been formed during the day, might have been formed while you were training, while you were sitting for long periods of time. Find areas where you can actually find the knots. Here we move on to middle, inner and outer thigh. This is really going to help us with the squats and with getting the hips down low and unlocking the hips. So you're going to go middle, inner and outer. Just investigate, find where those knots are until it releases. There's no time bound, but usually takes about 30 seconds, but go more with the feeling than with the time. Here's the hamstring. So you're going to, just as long as you apply pressure, this one can be quite tricky where you've got to fold over as you're going down, just fold over and always maintain that pressure. Here's the calves, either one leg or two legs.